speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to order a meal for breakfast.
Oh, sure. Can I get your name and your room number, sir?
I am Brian Kaumban and my room number is 304.
Get your name and your room number, sir. Thank you very much, Sir Kaumban. Can I get your order, sir?
I would like to have a fresh pineapple juice, 3 pieces of pancake with butter, 2 slices of bread with egg, and a pot of brew coffee, please.
For your bread, sir, would you like it white bread, wet bread, or milk bread?
I want the white bread.
By the way, sir, would you like to try our Americano Espresso drink that is prepared by the best coffee artists of Southeast Asia?
Oh wow, yes, let me try it. So instead of brew coffee, give me a pot of
For
American
your
coffee.
Americano, sir, would you like it creamy, more sugar, or less sugar?
I prefer it less
May I
sugar.
repeat your order, sir? For fresh pineapple juice, 3 pieces of pancake with butter, 2 slices bread with egg, and a pot of Americano coffee with less sugar. Did I get your order right, sir?
Yes,
Okay, thank
excellent.
you. Thank you for calling. Thank you.